Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize home renovation projects with Home Depot, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your renovation goals clearly. Consider the purpose of your project. Establish a budget that accounts for materials, labor, and unexpected costs. Create a timeline for your renovation. Research local building codes and permits needed for your project. Visit Home Depot's website to browse materials and tools. Utilize the project calculators to estimate costs accurately. Make a detailed list of materials required for your renovation. Explore Home Depot's special offers and discounts. Plan a visit to your local Home Depot store to view items in person. Consult with Home Depot's associates for expert advice. Determine if you will need professional services or if the project can be DIY. Purchase all necessary materials or schedule deliveries. Prioritize safety measures while working on your project. Observe proper techniques for using tools and materials. Document the progress of your renovation for future reference. Review your checklist regularly to ensure you're on track. Once completed, enjoy the results of your well-planned renovation project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.